Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, simplifying a product of radical expressions, multivariate. So in this case, we're going to have multi or more than one variable. So in this case, I have v's and y's, but it could be whatever. It could be w's and x's, a's and b's. Just means there's more than one in the problem. So first step, actually multiplying them. So these are both square roots, so I do need to check their indices, but they're good. I don't have to worry about those. So I multiply everything one at a time. So 2 times 6 is 12. V to the 7th times v cubed is v to the 10th. And then here we have y to the 9th times y to the 4th, which is y to the 13th. Okay. Now I want to try and simplify that. So this is multiplied. It is the correct product, but we do want to simplify it as well. So to do that for the number, I want to break the 12 down into its prime factors. So 2 times 6, which is 2, 3. So putting them down here in order, 2 times 2 times 3. And by order, I do mean from least to greatest, not necessarily the order we solved them in. So 2 times 2 times 3. And then I have a lot of numbers here. You can write all of them out, and I'm going to do that just to show it to you, and I'm going to show you a faster way to do it as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think you can pretty easily see why we wouldn't want to do this too often, and especially not with numbers much bigger than what we have. So what my goal is now is I'm looking at that index, and which is a 2. Remember, anytime it's a square root and not written in, it's a 2. And I'm looking for combinations of that many things here down here that match, and we have a lot of them. So let's see, I have 2 2's, only 1 3. I have 2 v's there, 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 2 y's, 2 y's, 2 y's, 2 y's, 2 y's, and 2 y's, and a leftover y that I can't use because there's not something for it to pair with. So we pull out a representative of each of those groups. So I have a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of v's. So v to the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y's. So y to the 6th. And that's all outside my radical because they're circled. And then radical of things that were not paired, which is just the 3 and that single y. So 3y is the simplified version of this. So remember, you don't have to write all of these out. So in this case, say we have v to the 10th. That's an even number. So since this is a square root, it's just 10 divided by 2, which is 5. That's our exponent that comes out. For the 13, that's an odd number. So I need to subtract 1, which is 12, and divide that by 2, which gives us that 6. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. And that 1 that we didn't use, that's representative of this guy right down here. So that's why there's 1 left over. So we subtract 1 and put that 1 here, which leaves us with 12, which is how we can divide by 2 and get that.